In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily deactivate your Instagram account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Open up Instagram. Go to your profile. Tap at the three lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap Account Center. Tap Personal Details. Now tap Account Ownership and Control. Here you will find Deactivation or Deletion. Just tap on it. Choose your Instagram account. On the next step, you need to choose whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. Deactivate account option is selected by default. Tap Continue. Now we need to enter our Instagram account password. Once that is done, we need to choose a reason why we want to deactivate our account. Any reason will do, it doesn't matter. Tap Continue. Then tap Continue again. In order to deactivate your account, all you have to do is to tap Deactivate Account. While your account is deactivated, it will not be visible on Instagram. But in any time, you can reactivate it simply by logging back into your account or through the Account Center. That's how you can easily deactivate your Instagram account. If you have any questions about the tutorial, you can write down in the comments below. Hit the like button if you like this video, and see you in the next one.